Hey, my name is Alejandro, and I'm here to show you how to install your panic button monitoring solution. Your panic button solution comes with beacons. Beacons are designed to be installed in every room so that in case of emergency, it can provide you with the correct location of the person in distress. Let's learn how now to install your beacons. The first thing we want to do is understand the layout of a room. So let's scan the layout of a room and then show you where the installation happens. Great, so now that we've scanned the layout of the room, we have a better idea of where do we install it. Two things to remember and keep in mind when installing a beacon. Keep it center and keep it hidden. We don't need the beacon out in the open, but we also don't want it hidden behind some closet. We prefer it to be in the center of the room to have the most optimal coverage of the area, but also in case anyone's running or walking down the hallway, it can pick them up as well. We're ready for installation. So, first thing we want to do, make sure you place your double-sided tape on the back of your sensor, and then we want to scan in your sensor as well. Take your app, let's go to Add Device, scan the QR code, and then enter the details. Hit Next, hit Add. But now I want to make sure I turn on the beacon. Press and hold the power button until you see a flashing red light. Excellent, the beacon's turned on. I'll peel my double-sided tape. I'm ready for installation. Great, so now that we've turned it on, we've scanned it, we've placed our double-sided tape and peeled it, we're ready to place it into the location. So again, somewhere in the center, not so hidden, but not so out in the open.